Hello guys, so today I'll show you the steps to create and set up a new Clickit hosting account for a new website design customer. So there are mainly three steps we need to concentrate on. First one is we need to purchase a hosting, another one is the domain, and the third one is the SSL. So we have three different type of hosting plans. One is cPanel Deluxe, another one is Starter, and the third one is Ultimate. So as per the client's requirement, we can purchase the particular cPanel hosting plan. Then if our customer already have a domain with another company, then we can transfer that particular domain to our Clickit hosting account. For that, you need to do the domain transfer. Otherwise, we can buy or purchase a new domain, new domain registration, right? And third one is the SSL certificate. So at the very beginning, we need to go to the clickithosting.com, then create new account. Over here, we need to assign a new email ID, registered email ID, the username, and the password for that particular account. So over at the headquarters of Clickit, we follow one rule. We assign a same password to all our clients' account just for our own conveniences. Okay, so I have one client's account with me. I already registered with that particular client's email ID and the password. Okay, so let me log into his account. So once we log into the Clickit hosting account, we will get number of things. One is the domains, what domains we have purchased for that client. So these are the domains we have purchased, right? This is the list of domains. Over here you can do the DNS settings and manage that particular domain. Second one is web hosting. So we purchase established business hosting plan for this particular customer, so that we can manage from here. And third one is SSL. Okay, so let me show you the hosting. So once we click on manage, it will redirect it to the web hosting page. So here is the cPanel admin. So you need to click on cPanel admin, and you will get the cPanel page here, like this file manager, phpMyAdmin for database, create add-on domains and subdomains things. And if you want to install WordPress, you can use this Installatron application. By using that, you can directly install WordPress. You need to go to the application browsers here, then click WordPress and install this application. That's it. Over here from this drop down, you need to select the particular domain at where you want to install the WordPress, right? Then username, password, register email ID. That's it, and just click on install. You can also check the file manager here. This is the backend, public HTML. These are the website. So yeah, as I told you, just three steps we need to consider to set up the web hosting, Clickit hosting account for our prospective website customer. So let me know if you have any questions or confusions. Thank you so much.